Get a lady of your size. There was a time when a rat was looking for a wife. And this rat moved around and found a camel, a red camel. And this rat said, now that I've set my eyes on you, I'll rather die with you than live without you. I want to marry you. And then the camel said, well, if you want to marry me, you got to show me to your parents. If they approve, then we can marry. Then the rat pulled the rein of the camel, and they went and about to enter into the hole of the rat. And the rat realized that the camel wouldn't fit into the hole. While the rat was making the effort to see how to drag the camel into the hole, the camel said, let me advise you. Either get a rat of your size or get a bigger hole. We are not compatible. Some of these are so obvious, but people don't like to look at the obvious. Get a lady of your size.
A whisper of peace, moving through the land. Allah.